So now, based on this, when you understand other religions on the face of the earth, first and foremost thing, as a Muslim, please share this knowledge. Share it with your non-Muslims. Share it in your family, because it increases their iman in the Quran. And if you become responsible for some Muslim to increase his iman or her iman in the Quran, imagine the ajr then, subhanallah. You know, there is no other book on the face of the earth except the Quran. I would like to reiterate this statement. There is no other book on the face of the earth except the Quran, which claims it's a revelation from Almighty. The Bible doesn't say it's a revelation from Almighty. The word Bible doesn't come in the Bible. The Hindus read so many books. They read the Shrutis and the Smritis. What are Shrutis? Shruti is a Sanskrit word. Shruti, it means a revelation. Smriti, it means written by men. So today, the Hindus are promoting their religion very actively through the media and other sources. They are promoting the religion. They are saying our religion, Hinduism, is actually the wrong term. Our religion shall be called Sanatana Dharma. Sanatan means oldest. Dharma means religion. And what did Allah say, which is the oldest religion? Inna Dina Indallahi Islam. The only deen which is the oldest and acceptable by Allah in the sight of Allah is only Islam. But they are saying our religion is, see, our religion is oldest dharma. Oldest religion is not a name of a religion. Oldest religion. But people don't understand Sanatana Dharma. So they think Sanatana Dharma is some name of a dharma. So they are promoting it.